welcome everyone. If everyone can see me while I'm standing here, I would prefer here. I like to walk while I talk. I might fall over the stage, so I'm going to keep away from it. So welcome to this long session, 40 minutes. Hope you all had a lot of coffee and you're ready to start. Today we will be talking about multiple object tracking. Just sharing my experience of applying these systems in the industry. So it's more industry focused than academic side of things. So yeah, let's get started. First, the agenda for today is first we will define the problem that we want to tackle. Then we will go over the building blocks or building such a solution. In particularly, we are going to see a solution that I think is very suitable for embedded devices, given that we are in the Embedded Vision Summit. At the end, we will review some of the remaining challenges that I see in the area and some of the how to evaluate these solutions and the promising research that I see that could be a game changer in the future. So, what is multiple object tracking? The idea is that you have a video. It could also be the live feed from a camera. And you want to first identify and detect the objects in the video. Okay? When I say identify, I just mean so, for instance, that car there, that has an ID of 30. Also, we call it as pink. That's the only identification we run. Okay, this is not like identifying the license plate. I don't want to know the name of the people that is there. It's not that kind of tracking. Okay, and then we of course want to see how they are moving and their trajectory. But in this talk, we are going to keep it in 2 dimensions. So we want to see their movement in the reference of the frame in the 2D space. If you want to do like 3D tracking, that usually involves multiple cameras and more complex solutions than what we will see today.